So we can see that there's not much curvature in the back. It's very anterior and looking very flat. So we're going to do the adjustment to correct that. Okay. Okay, and what you want to do is put all your weight over my hand right there, okay? We're going to lay back right over there. There we go. Good. All right, and I did feel that. Here. We're going to lay back right here. Put your weight right there. Good. All right, so we're moving both. Okay, we're going to relax both shoulders. Good, that looks great. Just relax through here. Great. Oh. Beautiful. Okay. Okay, we're going to come through here. See here. Great. Okay. So you can see how much. So now we're going to adjust the AS ilium. Okay, relaxing here. Good. All right. Okay, relax here, relax here. There we go. Okay, yeah. We'll take a deep breath. And a deep breath out. Here.
Oh.
Okay. All right. Not bad. Hey, that felt pretty good.